with mindful activity, the quickest and easiest way to practice this is the slow motion technique. So the slow motion technique enables you to be more mindful during activity. So mindful activity is the end goal, and the slow motion technique is the means. And the slow motion technique means to deliberately do everything 30–40% slower. Yeah. Now that means moving slower, thinking slower, talking slower. Whatever activity that you're doing that slower. And it takes conscious awareness to do those things slower. So by doing it slower, you've already brought your mind into the present moment, and you've connected with the witnessing awareness part of your existence. Because you can only do things in a rushed way when you're unconsciously lost in the activity. But when you're aware and you're choosing to do it slowly, you have connected to the stillness within. So it's very, very powerful technique. If you just master this one technique, you'll see how things shift and change in your body. So it's moment to moment, mindful awareness of this present moment, and we enable that through doing everything slower. And when you do everything physically slower, your nervous system slows down because it's not in such an emergency mode. And you'll also notice that your thoughts slow down, your reactions slow down, you become calmer. So the slow motion technique is a very powerful way of doing that. And you can just practice that by whatever activity you're doing. When you're walking, you practice thinking and moving slower. Yeah. And if you look at lots of disciplines like Qigong, Tai Chi, yoga, all of these disciplines are a precursor to deeper meditation. And they all involve slow, deliberate movements. Yeah. You see those people in the park doing the Tai Chi movements. They are deliberately being in tune with their body and doing these movements slowly and having awareness of the present moment. And in yoga, that's also happening. We're stretching and we're being aware of the stretch and bringing our minds into the present moment. So yoga is like a meditation for the body. Yeah. So all of these things, if you're thinking about yoga, Tai Chi, all of these things that can be useful in practicing the slow motion technique.